right, so special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send us their Ionic facial steamer with a built-in UV light. We're gonna make an unboxing for you to show you everything that comes inside of this box. The side has a little bit of how to use the steamer and exactly how it works. The back just has some specs of the device, color, the weight, the size, etc. And then Ionic facial steamer, penetrating nanoparticles, moisturize skin, help clear pores, and clarify the complexion for all skin types. Nothing on the bottom, and just the company logo there on the top. So let's get into this thing and unbox it. All right, what do we got? I like they colored all over the box. All right, so right at the top, we got some little piece of plastic. Remove dust cover before use. All right, so that's like a dust cover. Interesting. And then cardboard. And that's it for the box. Oh, look at that. Cool little things. Those are cool. And wow, is this a dang. So this is your user's guide. Tells you everything you need to know about exactly how to use this product. Love the how colorful everything is. And then this is the actual product itself. Use only distilled water or purified water. Looks like your water, yep, goes in this little container here, and then this just sits down into here, and you got a little button there. Not a whole lot to this thing. And of course a standard power plug. So we also have, oh look at this, a little manicure set with a few items that might be needed for manicuring. You can see all these pointed things, and then a little branded carrying case. Now I see this little part just goes on here. All right, and so that would essentially do it for this facial steamer. Once you put your water in here, you hit your button and just put your face in front of it. It would do exactly what it's supposed to do. So thanks again to this company for sending me this product to unbox and show you what comes in the unboxing. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.